Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator again. I hope you all had a fantastic day and are having a good evening. I need to show you something I found at the Dollar Tree. You know me and my boxes for centerpieces. Okay, look at this box. You could get all different sizes, but look at this box. How pretty is this box? It comes with a ribbon, but I take the ribbon off. The one side has glitter, the other side doesn't. So you can choose whatever side that you want to be facing forward. But they come in 4 different sizes. How cute are these little boxes? I love the glittery sides. And look at this one, how tiny. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I did. Here's my box. I took the ribbon off. Now, I'm gonna tell you, I had some bubbles in my sayings right here. I put the iron on no steam, wool setting, and I put a piece of parchment paper over there and just iron it for a couple seconds and then rub the bubbles out with your fingers. And then it's much better. It's much better. Okay, I'm using these styrofoam blocks from Dollar Tree. The set that comes 4 in the package fits in here the best. You would have to cut the other one, that single block. You need to cut it to fit in here. So I'm just using those set of 4 in here. Then these are all from the Dollar Tree. These have pumpkins. This has like a little berry on there. This one has like a little squash or a gourd or something it is. And this one's another pumpkin one I have. And then I got these goldy green greeneries there also. Now I want a candle in it. Just a candle is too short with my flowers. So these are the candles. This is the candle I'm using from our shop. And I am using one of those little black wrought iron candle holders that we sell. This little thing here, this taper. Okay, I'm setting that in there. Then I'm going to add my greens around it. I'm going to add my greenery. Not sure. I gotta make sure I got my candle centered. I might have to move them around again. We'll see. Oh, this one. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm gonna need this third one or not. But then I just stick. I'm trying to do it so you could see me and I could see. Okay. I just stick my flowers in there. Now, I like them down in there so they hang a little bit over like this. And I'm going to do this berry one here. I got to look at it. Okay, see? Like this. I'm going to need green. I should have got maybe another greenery. Or let's see. Maybe I stick this one behind. Like this. Let's see. I want to pull some of the greens forward. Okay. All right. This is my front. This is what I want for the front. Then for the back, I have my pumpkin. And my little squash there, my little gourd thing. Okay, let's see. I'll pull this sunflower down just a little so you could see the flowers. Okay, I got to get my candle in the center. And I need to rearrange my greens here a little. I need some greens in front of this candle. Let's see. All right. I'm just playing. You got to play with it till you get it to what you like. kind of want it more greens towards the front here. Let's see. There. There we go. Okay. What do you think? I think it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Check your Dollar Tree for these cardboard boxes. This one's got all pretty teal glitter. I love it. Okay, if you like my little Dollar Tree fall centerpiece, decorate the page, guys, and I am going to pick someone. Today's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I'll pick someone Wednesday, and I will ship you this. I will ship you this out. Okay, if you like my little centerpiece, decorate the page. Thanks. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.